Hello traders. Today is 23rd of December, Wednesday, 2020, and I would like to share with you today's best forex trade analysis and the result. Now, just to recap traders, I analyze market in high time frame and 4 hour, and then I analyze market in intraday system to refine our entries and exit. Today we had amazing volatility in the market, especially in pound dollar and all the pound pairs. As you know that because of the Brexit situation, and most of the traders bank amazing profit, and I personally manage amazing very good profit today. I'm going to show you one of my account and how I made that profit step by step. All right, so let me share with you my live account. This is one of the account that I'm managing it. You can see this is the live account, not a demo account. And if I go to history, just pull up today report. As you can see, I've made $38,317, and that's today. And if you look at the date, all today dates, and this is the live account. And one interesting thing you should watch here, that all these pound and pound Swiss franc pairs, and I also had a losses. You can see here a couple of losses, but I managed to bank beautiful profit, and most of them is scaling trades. So once the trade is in profit, I've been taking all pullbacks. So I'm going to explain to you in details now. All right, so let's back to the analysis, and I'll show you which pair I've analyzed and bank all that profit. And most important thing is I also broadcast exactly all that information to all of my traders, and that's why most of the traders bank amazing profit, because we have a platform, same platform, where I trade, and the traders can see how I analyzing it, and they can take benefit as well. So you can see the trader bank also beautiful pips. You can see here 35 pairs on, mostly a bank amazing profit on pound dollar and all the pound pairs. Okay, so I analyze market twice a day, one just before London Open, around 7:30 a.m. London time, and then second analysis I do just before the opening bell around about 2 p.m. London time. And once the live analysis done, the recording straight away available in the training section. And let me share with you the trades analysis I've broadcasted, and I've taken those trades and share that information with all my members. And let me share with you this is the pound dollar. You can see that I explained to my traders that the price respected these levels, and I'm expecting a short trade here. And if the price is going to respect, so possibility price might going to develop head and shoulder pattern, but we'll see. Still is in process. So and let me share with you this is another pound Swiss franc. This is the 4 hour. That's the analysis I did live, and I explained to traders this is the place we should be looking at counter short trade. And if I look at here, the price respected previously here 1 2 3 touch, and also major resistance level, so possibility of counter short trade. So this is the analysis I did live, which is recording available. And then once the price reached that level, then I did broadcast that analysis, if that makes sense, because we have our trading system, as you can see the red fib channel, when the price reached to the extreme level and coordinate with the major resistance, then I broadcast that analysis. You can see 1426 around 226 London time. I did analysis looking for counter short trade, and that's what I've taken the short trades. And then when the price reached to the certain target, and that's what I banked beautiful profit, and I was keep taking short trades on the pullbacks. So you can see this was the beautiful short trades on pound Swiss franc. Another trade which basically you have seen that I've taken a pound dollar. Let's get back to the 4 hour. As mentioned on the analysis, as you have seen on the recording, and the price nicely respected this level, and as soon as I see the opportunity here, I broadcast that analysis I also taken that short trade, and this is the analysis I did. As you can see, once the technical pattern is developed and price is touching to the our fib channel, which is, you can see the red fib channel, which is we normally count as overbought and oversold channel, and with the technical valid entry, as you can see, the price nicely respected. As soon as the red candle developed, we took a short trade and we just keep selling it. After that, you can see it, all the pullbacks we announced through live audio commentary, and I also banked some beautiful pips. So you can see here in my account most of the trades, short trades, pound dollar, pound dollar, pound dollar, and you can see when there's an opportunity, then we take a maximum benefit. When there is no opportunity, we don't just trade. So you can see all that trading is live broadcasted, where all the members, they can see all that analysis, and they can basically take the maximum benefit. All right, so I'm just going to show you a couple of analysis. We have plenty of analysis, as you can see it. I'm just going to show a couple of analysis. As you can see, the dollar CAD, this was the analysis broadcasted at this time. At this time, we mentioned to bank some profit because you can see the price nicely hit to the double previous low. Same thing, pound Swiss franc, pound yen, pound dollar, all these trades. If you look at here, pound yen, this was again price develop another pattern, and you can see at the bottom momentum was developed bullish. This was a pretty straightforward breakout trade, and we banked quick profit again on pound yen. And the same thing, pound dollar, same as mentioned here. This is the trade I've taken personally. And pound Swiss franc, this is again, I also banked beautiful profit on this one, pound Swiss franc. So euro, yen, this was again as the consolidation breakout, and price nicely hit 200 EMA. So you can see all that analysis broadcast instantly and provide the live audio commentary support as well. And I also basically, all the members in coaching and training, when they open a position, if they need any help, so I also provide that support with the live trading. And you can see they have banked some profit. And if I click on this one, look here, this is the opening price, and all these trades have screenshot. I can provide them support live on help. So all right, so this is the analysis. Today was our last trading day of the week. We're going to be coming back trading on Monday. So I hope you enjoy all that analysis details, and if you would like to see all that analysis in real time with the live audio commentary support alongside with all the trade updates, or even if you don't have Forex trading experience, I also provide full Forex coaching and training through this platform, because our objective is to coach and train with a live market, not just providing all the video training material, which we already have video training material in the system. But the most important thing is we provide coaching and training with the live market. Or even if you are struggling, I'm pretty sure you're going to be develop your trading skills in real time alongside with our professional trader. Or even if you're an experienced trader, I'm pretty sure you're going to love to bank all that profit. So most welcome to join my fast growing trader community. And once again, and thank you for watching this video, and wish you happy Christmas, and I'll see you on Monday with another analysis. All the best.